In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your thoughts using Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you streamline your ideas and keep everything in one accessible place. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to keep track of personal projects, having a method to organize your thoughts can make a world of difference. Today, we'll focus on setting up a thoughts database and creating ideas, followed by how you can integrate this with a daily journal. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by creating a thoughts database. Open your Notion workspace and decide where you'd like to place your new database. You could put it on a new page if you want to keep it separate or integrate it within an existing project. Once you have your location set, create a new database by selecting Table from the options. This table will serve as the foundation where you can store and categorize your thoughts. Name your database Thoughts and consider what kind of properties each entry might need. Titles are essential, but you might also want to include properties like tags, status, or a date field. These will help you further categorize and organize individual thoughts later on. Remember, you can always customize and adjust your database to better fit your needs as they evolve. Next, let's learn how to create ideas. Think of these as those moments of inspiration or specific thoughts that you want to flesh out. Start by creating a new entry in your thoughts database. Give it a descriptive title to easily identify it later. Titles should be concise but informative so you can quickly understand the core idea when scanning through your database. In the entry, make use of the rich text editor to jot down your thoughts. This can include bullet points, numbered lists, or even embed media to provide context and detail to your ideas. By organizing your ideas within this database, you ensure that nothing gets forgotten, and you can easily revisit and refine them over time. As ideas grow, you can differentiate them further by using tags or status properties, marking some as in progress or others as complete. Finally, integrate this with a daily journal. Journaling daily can help not only in keeping a record of your thoughts, but also in creating a habit of reflection. Set up a new page and label it Daily Journal. Inside this page, create a simple template including the date and perhaps a few guiding questions or prompts you find helpful. Link your thoughts database here to reference or add new entries directly from your journal page. This connection will help you capture ideas immediately as they arise, without breaking the flow of your journaling practice. And there you have it. By setting up a thoughts database and integrating it with your daily journal in Notion, you've created a seamless environment to organize and develop your ideas. With a little dedication, this approach can greatly enhance your workflow and boost productivity. Feel free to explore and modify these systems as you become more comfortable, tailoring them to best fit your personal or professional needs. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.